Hi everyone, I'm Shravan. Now I'm going to tell you the top 5 new English words and one idiom which really help us to speak in a fluent way in our daily conversation. As we all know that English speaking is very important for our future. So speaking comes by only speaking. So let's learn these new English words to speak in a fluent way and to increase our communicative skills. Right? The first word in our new words is obsequious. The pronunciation is obsequious. The meaning of obsequious is polite. I repeat the meaning, polite. So this word is used in the statements or in situations like, oh, he is an obsequious person. So or else we can also use be obsequious. Our second word is odious or obnoxious. Odious or obnoxious. The meaning of odious or obnoxious is unpleasant. Wherever we feel unpleasant, we can use these words. Example sentence: the situation is very odious or obnoxious. Now, our third word is pulchritudinous. Pulchritudinous. The meaning of this word is beautiful. So wherever we feel any kind of thing which is very beautiful, so instead of using the word beautiful, it's very better to use pulchritudinous. So this pronunciation is quite complicated, so please keep practicing on this pronunciation. So the meaning is beautiful. Now we are at the fourth word, that is convivial. I repeat the word convivial. The meaning of convivial is friendly. We can use this sentence in the situations like Ram Charan is a convivial person, or else we can also use this word in the sentences or in the statements like, so be convivial to everyone. So that's why everyone will like you. Our last word, but not the least, our last word is avid. The pronunciation is avid. The meaning of this word avid is keen for. For example, for something which we are interested in, so instead of using interested, we can use this word as avid. Example sentence: so Shravan is an avid reader, or Saujanya is an avid artist, like that. Now it's time to learn the idiom of the day. So let me tell you the one new idiom, that is out of the world. I repeat the idiom, that is out of the world. The meaning of out of the world is something which is extremely good. So whenever you see something which is extremely good, so just use out of the world. Example is, his speaking skills are out of the world. So like that, use the word. Right? These are the top 5 English words which we have learned till now. So please use practice and please keep using these words in your daily life. So really these words will help you a lot in speaking a better English and fluent English, and also it will increase and enhance your communicative skills in a vast way. So thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. I am your Shravan Kumar.